Hey everyone, and welcome back or welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to cook okra soup with kale and spinach. The ingredients you'll need are okra, kale and or spinach, onion, bell peppers, scotch bonnets, vegetable stock or hot water, cooking oil, I'm using palm oil, and seasoning of your choice. All of the ingredients are listed in the description box below. First, thoroughly clean the okra in cold water. Top and tail the okra, then cut in half lengthways and cut them into small pieces. Place half of the okra in a blender in a little water and pulse until smooth and set aside. Thoroughly wash the spinach and kale and thinly slice them. If you're using whole leaf kale like me and don't like the tough stalk, then remove the stalk first. Place the bell peppers, scotch bonnet and one onion in a blender and pulse to a coarse texture, adding a little water if needed. Cook one chopped onion in the cooking oil of choice for about 5 minutes. Add the blended peppers and cook for about 7 minutes. Add sea salt and all-purpose seasoning or the seasoning of your choice. Stir in the chopped okra and cook for about 3 minutes on a medium heat. Add the vegetable stock or hot water and simmer for about 5 minutes. Now stir in the blended okra and leave to simmer for another 5 minutes. If you don't want to add kale or spinach, you can enjoy the soup as it is. I divided the soup in two, half with spinach and kale and the other half without. Add the kale first as it's tougher than the spinach and leave to cook for about 4 minutes. Finally, add the spinach and leave to cook for about 5 minutes. Thank you as always for watching and supporting this channel, and be sure to like the video, share it and subscribe. Peace and blessings, and see you in the next video.